Well, it's unusual, a gun law with bipartisan support. Republican U.S. Senator Patrick Toomey of Pennsylvania and Democrat Chris Coons of Delaware are working together to better enforce current law that prevents convicted felons and others from buying weapons. As News Channel 34's Morgan Wright shows us, it would crack down on so-called lie and try purchases of firearms.
Gun control advocates say people are dodging the background check system.
They're prohibited from being able to purchase guns, and they try anyway.
Debbie Weir with Everytown for Gun Safety says that's a crime, literally. She says convicted felons who fail background checks are not going back to jail, and it's because of lack of communication between federal officials who do the background checks and state authorities who can prosecute the bad guys.
It's very important that law enforcement knows and it's reported to law enforcement so that they can follow up on it. Because if not, then those same convicted abusers will go and try to get guns in other ways.
In most states, while the store owner knows not to sell the gun, state officials never hear a crime was committed.
That information has to be handed over to the state law enforcement in the state in which the attempt was made.
Pennsylvania Senator Patrick Toomey has introduced the NICS Denial Notification Act. It would require the FBI to do just that.
Doesn't require prosecution, but it gives the Attorney General of that state the discretion.
The bill has bipartisan support, but Toomey recognizes the challenge in convincing many of his fellow Republicans to support the measure.
It's not an infringement on anybody's Second Amendment rights. So that's my view, strongly held as a big supporter of the Second Amendment.
Senator Toomey says it is not unreasonable to require a 3-minute background check before anyone is permitted to buy a firearm. In Washington, Morgan Wright.